Hello, how are you? Hi, everyone. This is absolutely Fernando. How are you? Welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to discuss about the Hyundai technology micro SD card and FedEx Office micro SD card. And by the way, today I'm going to discuss it. But anyway, good evening, afternoon to people from United Kingdom, Banbury, United Kingdom, and London, United Kingdom, especially Lancaster and Manchester, United Kingdom, and also Glasgow, Scotland, and Wales, by the way. Including also good morning to all of you people from Australia, from all the 6 states of Australia, Tasmania, Victoria, Queensland, and also Queensland and Victoria and South Australia and Western Australia. And today I'm going to discuss about these micro SD cards because these micro SD cards are absolutely exclusively so that you can use them in your iPhone and also your Android smartphone as well, especially your iPads if you have access to any kind of product that you have, but definitely your iPads don't have that access for micro SD cards, by the way. So let me start by discussing with the first product. The first product that I'm going to discuss is the Hyundai Technology Micro SD Card 256. So it has a high performance read and write speeds for quick data transfer between various devices, including computers and also phones, tablets, smartphones and tablets, drones and DSLR and sports cameras record at ease in smooth 4K Ultra HD resolution, high definition with capturing all of the life's best moments and fast action and record and shoot faster with U3 and V3 and V30, which is the fastest, high speed micro SD card. So anyway, it has a CE marking and also Federal Communications Commission certification. It has access to drones, smartphones, tablets, and the camera as well, and sports cameras, including also YouTube cameras. And I'm gonna ask you just one question to all of you people from Australia and also United Kingdom. Have you never tried this Hyundai Technology micro SD card before? Because I don't know how many of you people from Australia and United Kingdom have been using Android smartphones, and how many of you people from United Kingdom have been using also iPhones that doesn't have access to a micro SD card. So I'm asking you this question, by the way. How many of you have been using, smartphones from Apple, which is iPhone? And especially how many of you have been using, Android devices? So make sure to answer my questions because I need to know this. How many of you have been using iPhones instead of Android, electronic devices? And the next micro SD card is absolutely the FedEx Office micro SD card. Here you have a FedEx micro SD card adapter, and also a micro SD card adapter with USB adapter, by the way. And especially you can use this adapter of the USB for access with anything you need and if you want. And by the way, let me give you the specifications here. So here we have Federal Communications Commission, FC, and also Australian certification with a triangle and the circle and the check mark, because this is a perfect, opportunity so that you can buy one of these products, by the way. It is ideal to increase the storage capacity of smartphones and tablets and compatible with devices supporting micro SDHC and micro SDXC standard read speed up to 85 megapixels, and write speed is lower based on internal test performance. Performance may vary depending on use and devices. So, as I was mentioning to you, I have been testing, micro SD cards on, Redmi smartphones, by the way. Let me get the smartphone, by the way. And I will not, discuss a lot about it, because let me give you all the explanation here. By the way, I've been testing these micro SD cards with Redmi Xiaomi smartphones from between to 10A, especially also models with Redmi 9A models that I have in mind, because let me give you this opportunity really straight with you. I have these I have this smartphone for the first time for a very long, huge month that I purchased. Only a short month that I have it in July or in April, by the way, because this is purchased in June. And as you can see, you have also warranty, and you also have an unlocking key to remove the SD cards, because this is absolutely for international use. You have Mexican certification from Mexico and Colombian certification from South America, especially also CE marking for United Kingdom. And then you have QC Pass, another certification, and here you have your SN number and your 2 IMEI numbers for 2 SIM cards, and you have dual SIM card access. And by the way, this phone was not purchased in Mexico, because I purchased it in Walmart.com, and I bought this from Walmart.com from Virtual Depot, because you can use it whatever in the holy heaven of God you want. And it's a great stuff that you can check out as well, because this is absolutely an envelope of the box from a Redmi, 9A, which is the smartphone, using it to make the video, by the way. And I just already show it to you, because the smartphone from Redmi Xiaomi, I've been using it to testing micro SD cards, like, Kingston SD cards, and also FedEx, micro SD cards. And especially also Hyundai. I never tested it, but soon I will test it, because I've tested this Hyundai for the first time with my Redmi smartphone Xiaomi 9A, purchased from Mexico, which is I'm filming with this, cell phone, discussing about the micro SD cards, by the way. The other one I order it on, this one I purchased it in FedEx office, making a returns from all of my Walmart.com orders, by the way. And I will leave you also this FedEx office memory card, an SD card, by the way, so that you can program it on your smartphone, Android device, Samsung Galaxy, and also Motorola smartphone, except for your iPhone. If you don't have access to a micro SD card, you can buy this at your local FedEx office in Australia, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, Sydney, and also Tamworth, Australia, Adelaide, Australia, and including also Brisbane, Queensland, and also Melbourne, Victoria, and Moldova, Victoria, Australia, so that you can buy this at your local FedEx office. One more thing, you can buy this Hyundai technology micro SD card, micro SDXC card from 256 gigabytes. You can buy this online in Amazon, and especially you can go buy this on eBay if you can find it. I will definitely recommend you Amazon. If you can buy this in Amazon, then I will guarantee you to go buy for it, because you can use it on anything you want. Smartphones, tablets, and anything else. You can use this also in smartphones and also your computer and also GoPro camera. So it has 3 options. So this product comes with anything you want. So I will recommend this for all of you Australian YouTubers who travel all over the world, and I will recommend you this memory SD card in any way. You will love it. And by the way, here are the specifications, certifications on the micro SD card, FC, Federal Communications Commission, CE marking, and also Australian marking, by the way. As I already mentioned to you, you can buy this at the FedEx office, and at your local FedEx, Australian FedEx office, Sydney, New South Wales, and Tamworth, and Albury, Australia, and Queensland, Brisbane, and also Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So that you can buy this in Canberra, Australia, especially Adelaide, Australia. So that's all I have to show you, by the way. Make sure to subscribe. And one more thing, I'm going to give you some greetings to all of you people from Australia. Greetings also to Sophie Batten from Australia, and especially greetings also to Ariel Sky from Tamworth, Australia. So let me spell the name E-R-I-A-L, and last name is S-K-Y-E. So that's it. And by the way, greetings to you, Sophie Batten from Australia. And let me spell your last name, B-A-T-T-E-N. Batten, just like a bat. From a baseball bat, by the way. And greetings to Chloe Wilkinson from Adelaide, New South Wales, Australia. And that's it. And also, greetings to all of you people from United Kingdom. And also, good evening, afternoon. Well, that's all for today. Please make sure to give it a like. Make some comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Goodbye and greetings to you. This is Fernando, your friend. God bless you.